Close your eyes and imagine the vast blue expanse of the ocean. To the ancient Greeks, this wasn't just a body of water, it was the kingdom of a god whose temper was as unpredictable as a hurricane. He is the earth shaker, the tamer of horses, the master of the Trident. He is Poseidon. In the hierarchy of Mount Olympus, few names commanded as much fear as his. While Zeus ruled the lightning and Hades governed the shadows of the dead, Poseidon reigned over the 3/4 of the earth that remain hidden beneath the waves. Today on Preo Tidings, we are embarking on a journey into the abyss to uncover the true power, the violent wars, and the eternal legacy of the King of the Sea. To understand the power of Poseidon, we must go back to the beginning, the age of the Titans. Poseidon was the second son of Cronus and Rhea. His father, terrified of a prophecy that his children would overthrow him, swallowed Poseidon whole at birth, along with his siblings. He spent his early existence in the darkness of a Titan's stomach. But destiny cannot be swallowed. When his younger brother Zeus finally freed them, Poseidon didn't just walk out, he came out ready for war. During the Titanomachy, the 10-year war between the gods and Titans, the Cyclopes forged a weapon specifically for him, the Trident. With this 3-pronged spear, Poseidon helped shatter the Titan armies, casting them into the pits of Tartarus. When the war ended, the 3 brothers, Zeus, Poseidon, and Hades, drew lots to divide the universe. Poseidon drew the seas. From that moment on, every wave that crashed and every earthquake that cracked the ground was a manifestation of his will. What makes Poseidon a professional in destruction? It is his multifaceted power. Most people think of him only as a water god, but his influence is far more terrifying. First, the seismic power. Poseidon was known as Enosigaios. When he was angry, he didn't just raise waves, he struck the earth with his trident, causing massive tectonic shifts. Entire cities could be swallowed by the earth if he felt disrespected. Second, the father of horses. This is a part of Poseidon many forget. He is the creator of the horse. It is said he struck a rock in a competition and outsprang the first magnificent stallion. This connects him to both the wild speed of the land and the crashing foam of the sea, which the Greeks often called the horses of the ocean. Third, the biology of the deep. He commanded every sea creature, from the smallest fish to the most terrifying krakens and sea serpents. He traveled in a golden chariot pulled by hippocamps, creatures that were half horse and half fish, skimming across the surface of the water so fast that his feet never got wet. Poseidon was not a god who forgave easily. His life was defined by legendary conflicts. One of the most famous was the battle for Athens. Both he and Athena wanted to be the patron of this great city. Poseidon struck the ground and gave the people a saltwater spring, a symbol of naval power. But Athena gave them the olive tree, symbolizing peace and food. The people chose Athena. In a fit of divine rage, Poseidon flooded the surrounding plains, proving that while he might lose a vote, he would never lose his bite.
Then there was the Trojan War. Poseidon had a personal grudge against Troy. He had once helped build the massive walls of the city, but the Trojan king refused to pay him. Poseidon never forgot a debt. During the war, he broke the rules of Zeus, entering the battlefield to inspire the Greeks and sending sea monsters to devour his enemies. And who could forget his 10-year pursuit of Odysseus? Because the hero blinded Poseidon's son, the Cyclops Polyphemus, Poseidon ensured that Odysseus's journey home was a living nightmare, filled with shipwrecks and monstrous storms. This shows us the god of vendettas. He is a god who will follow you to the ends of the earth to settle a score. In ancient Greece, Poseidon was perhaps the most practical god to worship.
If you lived in a coastal city like Corinth or Pylos, your life depended on him. The sailors, no captain would set sail without offering a horse or a bull to the sea, praying for safe passage. The fishermen, their nets stayed empty unless Poseidon willed the schools of fish to move. The knights, because he was the god of horses, cavalry units and chariot racers held festivals in his honor, known as the Isthmian Games. Even today, his image, the bearded king with the trident, remains the ultimate symbol of the ocean's untamable strength. He represents the part of nature that humans can never truly conquer.
Poseidon is a god of contradictions. He is a protector and a destroyer. He is the calm blue horizon and the black crashing storm. As an immortal, he does not die. He simply waits beneath the waves, a reminder that the earth we walk upon is merely floating on his kingdom. Thank you for joining us on this deep sea exploration. If you found this story powerful, hit the like button and subscribe to Preo Tidings for more journeys into the heart of mythology. What other god or goddess do you want to see unmasked? Drop a comment below and let us know. Until next time, keep your eyes on the horizon and your feet on solid ground. This is Preo Tidings, signing off.